Hello friends, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Bisingte notification kaisa korka 25 May 2022 o tarigano o notification bisingte lajaknai PGT, GT and UGT tutor lajaknai obongka wall in interview ni bisingte lajaknai wall in interview ni derongka 4 tarik ni simi 8 tarik June 2022 tarik jorana lajaknai tei time rijatango 11:30 ni simi 4:30 PM jora lajaknai tei ro wall in interview ni bagai address ojak tango Chamber of the Headmaster Khompoi Academic TTADC Khumlong o address no lajaknai obo selection nai 11 month ni purely contract basis lajaknai tei ro vacant post details ojak tango tei post tango ro subject wise ro vacancy rijak tango post graduate tutor ni bagai tei English kokborok mathematics chemistry physics biology economics history geography Hindi education total vacancy tongnai 15 tei ro subject wise vacancy rijak tango naidi post graduate tutor ni bagai qualification nangnai master degree loge TET qualify khlajaknai sajak tei preference jaknai B.Ed T.Ed TET qualify the DLR English medium school teaching experience tongkhalai tei preference janai sajak tei per month jaknai 17,000 tei graduate tutor ni bagai English mathematics physics chemistry biology kokborok Hindi social studies game and sports arts and music tei total vacancy tongnai 50 graduate tutor ni bagai qualification nangnai bachelor degree with TET qualify khlajaknai tei preference jaknai B.Ed DLED TET DR or equivalent degree from recognized university tei English medium school ni teaching experience tongkhalai preference janai sajak tei per month jaknai 15,000 obni rajaknai undergraduate tutor tei total vacancy tongnai 35 obongkha 12 pass high secondary pass khlaijak tongkhalai ramanai per month jak tongo 12,000 tei age limit rongkha 18 ni sini 40 years obo count khlajaknai 31 May 2022 jorana tei relaxable rajaknai 5 years ST HC PS candidate rokni bagai wall in interview ni bagai tama original document tilang nangnai ira mention khlaijak tongo loge tilang nangnai original document of education qualification as proof certificate recent passport photo teaching experience tongkhlai norok teaching experience certificate tilang nangnai tei Aadhaar card and Xerox copy loge tilang nangnai tei application form ni fill up khlaina o document original document tilangui mathanai to friends o mongkha o job ni bagai wall in interview ni bagai application form o form no fill up khlaina norok original document tilangui no interview rwni thangbai di tei wall in interview ni bagai derajak tongo 4 June ni sini 8 June 2022 tarik jorano tei address ojak tongo Chamber of the Headmaster Khompoi Academic TTADC Khumlong jara rwnai tangnai rok o address no wall in interview rwni mathang